Hello everyone, in this video we are going to practice asking for and telling time. If you are new and if you don't know me, my name is Gaetana Berta and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. ስሜ ጌታነህ ይባላል። የቻናሉ ስም ደግሞ Learn English with ጌታነህ ይባላል። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እንድታደርጉ በአክብሮት ጠይቃለሁ። አዲስ ካልሆናችሁ ደግሞ if you are frequenter, don't forget to smash the like button. So at the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand how to ask for time and you will be able to understand how to tell time in English. የምንመለከተው በእንግሊዘኛ እንዴት አድርገን ሰዓት እንደምንጠይቅና እንዴት አድርገን በእንግሊዘኛ ሰዓት መናገር እንደምንችል እናወራለን። So here are the two most important questions that are used to ask for time. So the first one is, what is the time? Okay, ይሄንን ሁላችሁም ታውቁታላችሁ ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። If you want to ask someone to tell you time, you can say simply what is the time? ለምሳሌ አንድን ሰው ሰዓት እንዲነግራችሁ ከፈለጋችሁ በቀላሉ ምን ብላችሁ ትጠይቁታላችሁ? What is the time ብላችሁ ትጠይቁታላችሁ። What is the time? Okay, the second one is, what time is it? The second question that you can use interchangeably with the above question is, what time is it? What is the time and what time is it are the same questions. ሁለቱም ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ሁለቱም አንድን ግለሰብ ወይንም አንድን ሰው ሰዓት ለመጠየቅ የምንጠቀምባቸው ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። As you can see, these two questions are direct questions. እንደምትመለከቷቸው እነዚህ ሁለቱም ጥያቄዎች ምንድናቸው? Direct questions ናቸው። How do you know? But look, direct questions are mostly written by using inversion. አብዛኛውን ጊዜ direct questions የሚባሉት ምንም ተጠቅመን የምንጽፋቸው ናቸው? ኢንቨርዥንን ተጠቅመን የምንጽፋቸው ናቸው። ያ ማለት ከአረፍተ ነገሩ ባለቤት በፊት ምን እንጠቀማለን? ረዳት ግስ እንጠቀማለን። However, if the person that you are asking for time is a stranger, it is advisable to use indirect questions. ነገር ግን ሰዓት የምትጠይቁት ሰው ወይም ግለሰብ እንግዳ ከሆነ በፍጹም የማታውቁት ከሆነ ምን አይነት ጥያቄ እንድትጠይቁት ይመከራል? ኢንዳይሬክት questions እንድትጠይቁ ይመከራል። ምክንያቱም በእንግሊዘኛ የምንጠቀማቸው የጥያቄ አይነቶች፣ በእንግሊዘኛ የምንጠቀማቸው የቃላት አይነቶች የኛን behavior፣ የኛን ስብዕና፣ የኛን level of politeness ያሳያሉ። level of politeness፣ ያው politeness ማለት ጨዋነት ማለት ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ አንድ እንግዳ የሆነ ሰው የማታውቁት ሰው direct question ከመጠየቅ ይልቅ indirect question ብትጠይቁት የተሻለ ነው። So what are the indirect questions of the above direct questions? What is the first one? The first one is, what is the time? What is the time is a direct question. However, if the person that you are going to ask for time is a stranger, it is advisable to change it into indirect question. So what is the time becomes, could you tell me what the time is? ብላችሁ ትጠይቁታላችሁ ማለት ነው። Could you tell me what the time is? An indirect question. How do you know whether a question is indirect question or not? Look guys, if there is an introductory phrase plus a main question, undoubtedly that question is an indirect question. And could you tell me what the time is? We have an introductory phrase, that is could you tell me. We have the main question, that is what the time is. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ኤሌመንቶች አሉ። የመጀመሪያው ኢንትሮዳክተሪ ፍሬዛችን ነው። could you tell me የሚለው ዋና ጥያቄያችሁ አይደለም። could you tell me ጥያቄያችሁን ለስለስ ማድረጊያ ነው። ጥያቄያችሁን ፖላይት ለማድረግ የምትጠቀሙባት ምንድናት? ኢንትሮዳክተሪ ፍሬዝ ናት። ዋና ጥያቄያችሁ ምን የሚለው ነው? what the time is. What the time is your main question. ስለዚህ ሰውየው ሰዓቱ ስንት ሰዓት እንደሆነ ይነግራችኋል ማለት ነው። The second one is, what time is it? What time is it is a direct question, but if the person that you are going to ask for time is a stranger, it is better to use the following indirect question. Could you tell me what time it is? This is an indirect question because we have the introductory phrase, could you tell me? And we have the main question, what time it is? Okay, the next one is, let's talk about the possible answers. Look, አሁን ደግሞ ምን ብላችሁ ልትመልሱ ትችላላችሁ? አንድ ሰው what is the time ወይንም ደግሞ could you tell me what the time is ብሎ ቢጠይቃችሁ ምን ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ ነው። So your answer can start with it is blank. Okay, for example, what is the time? Or what time is it? You can say it is 3 o'clock. As you can say, it is 3 o'clock. 3 ሰዓት ነው ማለት ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ በምን ሊጀምር ይችላል? it is በሚል it is 3 o'clock, it is 4 o'clock, it is 5 o'clock እያላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ። ለምሳሌ what is the time where you are right now? You may say it is 5 o'clock, it is 6 o'clock, it is 7 o'clock, it is 9 o'clock, it is 4:30 እያላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ በምን ሊጀምር ይችላል? በit is ሊጀምር ይችላል ነው። Okay, let's practice. Could you tell me what time it is? It is 3:10. Or you can say it is 3:10. Can you tell me what time it is? It is 3:15. Could you tell me what time it is? It is 3:20, or you can say 3:20. Could you tell me what time it is? It is 3:25, or you can say it is 3:25. Could you tell me what time it is? It is 3:30. Could you tell me what time it is? It is 25 to 4. Look, ደቂቃችሁ ደግሞ ከ31 እስከ 59 ከሆነ ቀሪውን ደቂቃ ነው የምትናገሩት። ምን ትላላችሁ? it is ትሉና አሁን ይሄ ስንት ሰዓት ነው? 3 ሰዓት ከ35 ነው አይደለ? ለ4 ሰዓት ስንት ደቂቃ ይቀረዋል? 25 ደቂቃ። ስለዚህ ምን ትላላችሁ? 25 to 4 ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ቀሪውን ደቂቃ ነው። ከ31 በላይ ከሆነ ለሚቀጥለው ሰዓት ቀሪውን ደቂቃ ትናገሩና to the next hour ነው የምትናገሩ። So you can say 25 to 4. What time it is? It is 20 to 4. What time it is? It is 3:45. What time it is? It is 10 to 4. What time it is? It is 5 to 4. What time it is? It is 4 o'clock እያላችሁ ትናገራላችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay, the other one is if the minute is not 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, you have to use the following structure. For example, let's assume the time is, what is the time here? ይሄ ስንት ሰዓት ነው? 3 ሰዓት ከ03 አይደለ? 5 ደቂቃ አልሞላም አይደለ? 5:03 እንዳትሉ 5 ደቂቃ አልሞላም። ስለዚህ ይሄንን ለመግለጽ ምንድነው የምትጠቀሙት? after the minutes you have to use minutes. That means you have to say 3 minutes past 3 ትላላችሁ። ደቂቃው ማነው? 3 ደቂቃ አይደለ? After 3 you have to use minutes. You have to say 3 minutes past 3 ትላላችሁ። ነገር ግን ከአምስት ቢሆን ግን 5 past 3 ነው የምትሉት እንጂ 5 minutes past አትሉ። አያችሁ ልዩነቱ ምንድነው? ቅድም እንደነገርኳችሁ 5 10 20 25 ከሆነ after the minute you are not expected to use minutes. But if the minute is not 5, 10, 15, etc., you have to use minutes after the minute. For example, what is the time now? The time is 3 ሰዓት ከ8 አይደለ? ይሄንንም ብላችሁ ትገልጻላችሁ። 8 minutes past 3 ነው የምትሉት። ያ ማለት 8 past 3 አትሉ ማለት ነው። In addition to that, what is the time right now? It is 3:56. That means ስንት ደቂቃ ይቀራል? 4 ሰዓት 4 አይደለ? ስለዚህ ምን ትላላችሁ? 4 minutes to 4 ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ከ55 ቢሆንስ 5 to 4 ነበር የምትሉት። ነገር ግን ከ56 ስለሆነ ይሄ ደቂቃው you have to include minutes after the given minutes. You have to say 4 minutes to 4. The next one is you can add more information about the time. If it is in the morning, you can say in the morning. What is the time? It is 2 o'clock in the morning. What is the time? It is 11 o'clock in the evening. What is the time? It is 12 o'clock in the evening. እያላችሁ you can add more information about the time by using in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, midday, midnight እያላችሁ ስለ ሰዓታችሁ ተጨማሪ መረጃ መጨመር ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So, now it is question time. Are you ready to answer my question? If you are ready, write the following times in words. The first one is 7 or 8. So, what is the time? Write it in words in the comment section below. And the next question is, what is the time? That is it. Don't forget to drop your questions if you want to ask anything. But for today, that is all about. Happy Epiphany. Until next time, goodbye.